Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how you accelerate the TagUI script development with SelectorsHub, and you can write your same script 10 times faster. Before starting, I'm really thankful to my friend Ken for creating such an awesome tool, TagUI RPA for anyone, and making it open source and absolutely free for the community. Hats off to you. Now let's see how it becomes like a boon with SelectorsHub and super fast. So it's very simple. For an example, I'm taking the very basic example of TagUI. Like if we have to write a very small script, this piece of code. So here I have written. So suppose this is google.com. We are opening, and then enter this as Google weather whatever. So here we have to write this XPath. So like today, if we are writing this kind of XPath, if you go here and we go to google.com, okay, I mean, yes, we can write our own XPath, but very first thing, let me show you guys that this is not the right platform to write XPath or cssSelector in DevTools. So if you will be writing here, like when you do /input, it also gives you the string matches. Like you see that if you remove that, it tells you that find by string selector or XPath. So this is not actually, and at the same time we are wasting time here, like while typing, inspecting that element again and again, because DOM used to scroll up and down, and copying the value from here in the DOM. Let's do the same thing here with the SelectorsHub. So very first thing, as soon as you inspect the element, you get the XPath. So you can directly actually copy this one and you can paste it in your script. Another good thing is you can also write it here, and building own XPath is so fast now, which you might have never seen in the past. If you are coming across SelectorsHub very first time, you see that this is the very first smart editor. You get the value in the drop down along with their matching occurrences. You can select that and quickly you can build like anything you want, you can build it. You see that so fast, so quick it is. Like this is a new reality basically, which made it possible to write selector within a 5 second for any element, and this you can copy and paste it in your script. As well as at the same time, it also tells you if anything is wrong in your selector. It tells you that what is missing, so it helps you in learning. Like if you do make any mistake, it will help you with that, so which will make your task really fast. Now, so this is how you can write the script really fast. Now suppose there are like we have to like you get the cssSelector, XPath, relative XPath, name all possible selectors you will be getting, and there are like so many innovations in selectors of you can't even imagine, like iframe support, nested iframe support. You might have never ever seen that this kind of nested iframe support, and like nested shadow DOM support. So all those amazing, really incredible features are there in SelectorsHub. So I would really recommend you guys to check out the detailed video tutorial. So you see that it gives you the complete information that this element is inside nested iframe, like 2 iframe, and gives you the XPath for both the iframes. So this helps you in learning, like whatever element you will inspect, it will give you all the information that this element is inside iframe. This is the that iframe inside which this element exists, and then these are the like all those iframe from top to bottom, and then this is the element XPath. So this gives you the complete information. If you inspect any element which is inside shadow DOM, this will give you the complete like all the details of that element which you will inspect. So which is actually not possible with the help of like browser dev tools. Like if you inspect here with this browser dev tools, that will not be even possible to verify selectors for shadow DOM elements. So that you will also learn from here. You just open SelectorsHub, it will tell you everything, like this element is inside 4 nested shadow DOM, and this is the script. These are the host for all those 4 shadow DOMs, and So this is really incredible, and you would be able to learn like this element is inside shadow DOM. For such element XPath doesn't support. So all those things you would be able to learn from here, and you will get those information like about basically like whatever element you will inspect, you will get all the details about that web element. So it will help you to learn, like if you inspect this element, you get to know that element is inside single shadow DOM, this is inside shadow DOM. If you inspect any element which will be like normal, which is not inside iframe, which is not inside shadow DOM, it will tell you, it will be like normal, and you will be getting all those information here. If any element is like svg element, it will also tell you that that element is svg. Like browser DevTools doesn't support svg, doesn't give you the right XPath for selectors for svg elements. So you get that information, you learn about this, that okay, this is svg element, something is specific is there. So yes, you got that XPath for svg elements as well. So there are like amazing, really amazing features in SelectorsHub which will help you a lot in learning and in time saving. Now let's say for an example, we have to get all these header values here, and we have to like write the XPath for all these I mean basically like in our script we have to write this kind of a statement, right? So and we have to get all these header values in our TagUI script. So how do we do that? We will inspect this element, we got the XPath, we will copy this value, we will come here, and then we will type read, paste this XPath to, and then what is that? Platform. So this is how we will write, right? And then next is docs. We will again inspect this, we got this XPath, we copy this, then we will type, then we will say that read like this, sorry, this is docs. So this is how we will be doing one by one. But can we do it like just in single shot without wasting any time? Yes, this is possible. Now there is a multi-selector generation, click on this. Now here you can inspect this. So you see that you got all possible selectors for this inspected element. You can inspect this docs as well, like this. We are getting all possible. Now here still we are only getting XPath. Let's say we want that complete command. So you can click on this command feature here, command button. Here let me again click on this one, and now here paste, copy this command, paste it here. Wherever your XPath is written in this command, replace that with XPath value keyword, and wherever your selector name, basically like what name you have given to that element, that you replace with selector name. These are the two keywords you will have to remember, like this is how. And here is this you can refer this button as well for the help, and now you just press enter. You see the magic, that read your XPath and that selector name, read your XPath and that doc whatever element name, and now inspect all the element which we want. You see the magic, you got everything here. Just in few seconds you would be able to complete your script, and you are ready to go. You just copy this, click on this, and here you can paste your script, whatever we have copy. You see that all of them are ready here, and whichever you want to delete, you can, like let's say by mistake you have done something, you can delete that as well, and you are getting each and everything here, all the information. This you can export it, which you got it in like XLS file. Whenever you want, you can refer that, and again if you want to go back, you can go back, you can again come back. This also you can hide it, like if you doesn't want with command, you can hide this, it will come as a normal. You can get the XPath as well. If you want with any particular attribute, that also you can do it here. For this I would really recommend you that please check out the detailed tutorial here. Like if you go here, that video tutorial link is here, this is also coming here. So this you please request you to I would request you to please check out that detailed tutorial. There are like so many features are there in SelectorsHub that you will be surprised by looking at them, and you will really love them. Those are like really amazing features here in SelectorsHub, and it is available for Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, Opera browser. Safari, it has little bit different functionality to, so please check out the video tutorial for that. Here you will get all the details and links, everything. my humble request to please check out this video tutorial here in the YouTube channel, and there are like a lot of amazing innovations coming in SelectorsHub, and there are already like huge amount of innovations which you might have never ever seen or never learned. So please check out those video and subscribe to the channel for latest innovations in web automation and in SelectorsHub, and keep watching, keep loving. If you have if you need any other feature, if you feel that this feature could be added which can help you in TagUI, in SelectorsHub, or in learning of XPath, etc., you can uh, please let me know in the comment. Please like and share SelectorsHub with everyone. Many of your friends might not be aware about it and might be wasting their time in writing XPath, or they might be writing in wrong way. So please let them know about this innovation. This is absolutely free for community, and it is the I'm working on this full time. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. With that, thank you so much.